Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna, and today we are looking at the new Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette. So if that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. Make sure to check down below for all my socials and also to see what makeup I'm currently wearing on my face. All makeup was purchased by me. There are no affiliate codes and I have no affiliation to anything, and I consider myself pretty unbiased. So regarding this palette here, I've had it for about a month or two, never touched it. Didn't have the time, and now I have the time. So a couple things about it. Really beautiful packaging. This part here is like above the plastic and it's really nice. And you know what? If you saw this in store before everything shut down, you know, you weren't too wowed by it, and I'm assuming you weren't allowed to swatch it. I'm going to insert some swatches in a moment. And as you can see from the final look, it does a really beautiful job. In this video, you're going to find swatches in natural lighting, and you're going to find an eye makeup tutorial that will help you create this look on your own. So here we go, transitioning to Donna with only face makeup and no eye makeup. All right, everybody, so here I am. I have a full face of makeup on, no eye makeup, and I'm going to insert some swatches for you right now. So as tempted as I am to go into these shades right here and kind of keep it neutral, I really want to delve into these blues. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And like always, I'm going to have the picture of the palette next to me, and I will show you exactly which brush I'm using, which colors, and everything that I'm doing and what technique.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
Hi everyone, so this is the finished look right here. Yes, I know, it is a bit more intense than I usually do in terms of color and in terms of everything else that I did. So I put some eyeliner on. I started with the Beige Cosmetics eyeliner and it died after the one eye, so I switched to my ColourPop liquid liner here. And then I went into my Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I just talked about this in my previous video, my ColourPop one, about making mauves, and I've been using it quite a bit and I really like it. And I'm like, I'm doing an Urban Decay palette, so I might as well use that. Really like that. And then I also used a ColourPop gel liner for my waterline on my lower lash line. This is in the shade, I have no idea. Oh, this is in the shade DTLA, whatever that is. So I put that on the waterline here. And as you saw during the tutorial, I did have to dip into the ColourPop Blue Moon. Now I didn't have to, but because this palette, the Urban Decay one, because of the way that it's set up, I really like using 3 shades. I always like doing a shimmer, a lighter one, and then the darker on the outer corner. I don't mind putting shimmer on my outer corner. Some people are against it. I'm not, I don't care. So that was all over my lid, and then this one was on the outer corner, and I was kind of at a loss as to which one to put the inner corner. I was gonna go into something like this, but I didn't want it multicolored. I wanted to stay with the blue. I could have just put this one all over, but I wanted just something a little bit different. And I really like kind of the look it kind of created. You don't have to go into another blue. I just wanted to because I knew it was right here because I've organized everything and I can find stuff. I really tend to not put things in my waterline. I don't think I have sensitive eyes, but things tend to make my eyes go red. And I can even feel this one. And it's nothing against ColourPop. This happens to like every eyeliner, every brand. And I have so many eyeliners, but I just put them at the top. But I thought for this one, I really liked where it was going. And yeah, I just thought I would kind of keep going with that. Let me just kind of blend that. There we go. Just like one little touch of thing there. That always happens to me, that one corner there. Everything will transfer higher and I know I put shadow there and it's already disappearing, but that's fine. So my final thoughts on this palette, I'm actually kind of surprised. I really do like it. And that was kind of everyone's consensus, the reviews I was watching on YouTube, where people are like, do I need this? And the thing is like, no, you don't. And even with the shimmers, like they don't pop, you know, like ColourPop shimmers do, but they really do pack a punch. And I only had to go in a couple times and it had a lot of color, like a lot of pigment. So I really appreciated that. And again, you've seen the swatches and you know what the rest of them do, but I'm glad I went into the blue today. That's why I wore like a white neutral shirt. So whatever I wore would kind of like pop on top. The packaging is really beautiful and everything. And you know what, it worked really well. I have really good luck with Urban Decay shadows, honestly. People don't like the original Naked palette. I still have mine and I kid you not, I could wear looks like this every day. Nobody will say anything. The second I wear that Urban Decay Naked, the original palette, somebody will compliment my eye makeup. I don't know why, but somebody will. I think it's just the tones, like in the undertones in that palette. And I really have good luck, like I said, with Urban Decay shadows. And in my opinion, this is another hit because it looks beautiful and it did not take very long to do at all. So anyways, that's it for me, everybody. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video and consider subscribing to my channel if you like my content. YouTube should be recommending to you some other videos of mine. I have a lot of other unboxings, makeup tutorials, even some hair stuff that's out there. And I actually have a plan to do a couple more of those in the near future. I hope you and your families are doing well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.